Welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ. We're back in the workshop. He's back as well.
Yeah.
We're fresh back from the scooter shootout. Where we took Shedtune 69 for its first maiden outing. And if you watch the video, you know we had a few teething troubles, but it is rapid. And once we get this dialed, it is going to absolutely fly down that strip. Right, while we're at it, I thought we'd have a couple of shout outs to a few of our mates. So Gil, just had your knee done and get well soon, mate. Hope it all works out. Mate. And then AD Horrocks.
Hope sex change went well.
yeah. Not you, AD, Gil.
No, AD's already had it.
Yeah, get well soon, AD.
Yeah, get well soon.
He fell off at the scooter shootout, as you probably seen in the other video, and he's hobbling around a bit. After the scooter shootout, we got a few bits and pieces to sort out. So we had the clutch was really heavy, mainly because of how the cable has ended up being routed. It goes in and then at an angle, which obviously is not ideal, which is making it really stiff. So we're going to change all of this.
Russ isn't used to anything stiff.
That's very true, not at my age. I've also changed the clutch, and I'll put the LTH clutch in from the top speed bike, and then the AF Easy clutch back on, as you can see. So we're going to change all of that, and hopefully the clutch will be really good, nice and light. We've got some jetting to sort out on the carburetor and some other settings to do. So without further ado, oh, and one last thing, you're not going to believe this, I'm going to explain this to you.
Get ready to be bored.
So you see our wonderful fuel tap? Believe it or believe it not, it's not the tightest to fit, but it vibrates so much that it turns itself off. It's mad.
Russ has that problem quite a lot.
Right, so we've had a load more stickers come in. So if you sent stickers in, thank you very much. First of all, if you sent us Jaffa Cakes, a triple pack, thank you. I've lost a bit of paper that had your name on it, so my sincere apologies. They were delicious. Thanks very much. So the first lot of stickers we've had come in are here, look. Hilltop Speed and Customs, met them at the scooter shootout. Thanks very much, chaps. Then we've had some stuff in from somewhere, I'll open that in a minute. And one from America. We'll open that in a minute.
Yeah, talking to stickers, we had some nice ones from Bootlegger SC, Jonathan Akehurst, nice one. This is the type of people that we get. Uses an out-of-date stamp, and I end up having to pay for the postage. Nice one, Jonathan. Well done, mate.
All the way from America, Breaking Dad. Nice one, Todd. We like those, they're quality. What do you think, Dom? Breaking Dad?
Oh, they're quality. I really like them. Well done, Todd.
Yeah, nice one. And then we've had some stuff in with a nice little letter. We don't normally get letters. Most of our the people we talk to normally can't write, but someone does right here by the look of it.
That's real coming from someone who can't freaking read. Yeah. I think it's
Hello, Russ and Dom. Please find 2 times Burton Brewers SC stickers.
You don't have to say 2 times. You could just say 2 stickers.
Oh, shut up. Apparently they were established in 1953, and they're going to celebrate...
You old farts.
Yeah, 70. Are you still alive, you lot? 70th anniversary this year. That's from Nick. I think that's Evo and all the Burton Brewers Scooter Club. Thanks, Burton Brewers Scooter Club. Let's have a butcher's at that. Oh, look at that. Hey? Cheers, guys.
I have to find a good place for that to go.
Yeah, we will. We'll find somewhere nice to put those stickers, because 70 years is going
Maybe
some.
the 70 could go on the fridge.
Okay, there you go. Bootleggers. Hilltop. Breaking Dad. And the Burton Brewers. Covered. Ooh. So, he's got to stand on stuff, he's not that tall. certainly amused him, that's for sure. So what we're going to do is we're going to bin. I know we're going to bin that off, I think, and
no, we're not.
Come up with a different plan because I can't be asked gaffer taping it up to stop it turning around every time we go out racing. So first job is to get that roll pin out and obviously this assembly off. And Maestro Dom reckons it's going to be a piece of cake, so I'll just stand back and watch. Ta-da! Right, so for those of you who haven't seen an MB gear change,
Here's one we didn't put down.
that's the MB gear change that can be used on choppers, racers, goes over normal bars. Not sure if it's going to work, should do, but we'll find out in a minute. More adjustments. As with everything to do with scooters, nothing fits first time, so we're going to have to fettle it so it fits. Here we go, look.
Going on there.
So it fits the bar one end.
But where it's been driven into there, or spaced into there, now that section there.
Really, really tight. Plan B, get the Dremel out.
Oh, panpipes.
Yeah, that's about your limit of your musicality.
MB invented a panpipe as well.
Go on then. What are you doing now?
Bit of grinding paste. Some valves.
He's always doing
It's
that.
either going to work or it ain't. One of the two.
Good idea that, isn't it? Grinding paste.
Well, that's if it goes on. It's that tight. I'm not sure it'll even go on. Maybe we should have started with the smoother one first.
Yeah.
Sweet as.
Perfect. See, that grinding paste.
A little bit tight just to that end. But
Here
we
we
can
go.
get over that.
Well,
Well, actually, to be fair. Just a little bit up there on that last part. And just a little smear of grease on there. Or copper slip.
happy days.
And that's like,
Yeah, that'll be perfect. Such a dork, isn't he? He's such a child. So we've sort of got a mock-up of how we think we're going to do it. Still a little bit more figuring out to do because it doesn't quite work out how we want to do it.
it sticks some little bits of cable layer in there.
Yeah. So we're going to order some bits tomorrow, and then, well, once it's done, we'll show you what we've done.
It's done.
But it's like that
It's shit.
at the moment. Right, well, I think that's going to be it for tonight. So it's goodbye from me.
As always, it's been a pleasure. Goodbye from him.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave some comments, even abusive ones, we don't mind.
Why is everyone being nice now?
I don't know, they've obviously...
Stop being abusive again.
Don't forget, we want more stickers, more stuff for the workshop, and if you want to come watch us race, next one's going to be 15th of October at Santa Pod. Be nice to see a few people, and
Yes,
hopefully...
GP 200.
Yeah, Stevie GP 200. Get your ass along. Anyway, that's it from us. See you next time.